Let's move to the next item. They want us to do the total variable cost. So we come here and say total variable cost, total variable cost. This is also very easy. This is also very easy. We've done it above there. We have the variable cost per unit and we have the number of units. So there is nothing complicated here at all. Just refer to the units. Then we multiply that by the variable cost per unit to get the total variable cost. Also do not lock anything. Just confirm, control enter like that. I have my total variable cost for the base. This is the same amount that we got up here. The 200,000, it is what is here. Then, because I've set my formula, I just drag to scenario 6 like that. I put a comma style and I have my total variable cost figures for each scenario. For each scenario. You see how easy this thing is? We've already answered part B, Roman number 2. Nothing is difficult here. Let's look at the required part, Roman 3. They want us to get contribution. We've just mentioned some few minutes ago that when you talk about contribution, you're just comparing. Contribution, just looking at, this is the total contribution. Yeah, there is the contribution margin per unit and there is the total contribution. That's why the examiner just said contribution without specifying. The word was just contribution. But should the examiner ask you to do contribution margin per unit, remember, you will deal with per unit figures. You will deal with per unit figures. But if the examiner just talks about contribution, it is the general contribution using total revenues and total variable cost.